What's up, guys? How's everyone doing today? Today I'm gonna make some chili chicken. So I got one chicken breast here. I got some peppers and red onion. Got some lemon juice. I got some pre-cooked rice already. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna julienne the chicken. Um, add some garlic and ginger. Some turmeric. Some chili powder. Mix them all together with some soy sauce and some tomato paste and combine them all together and coat it with some flour. And then I'm gonna fry it on my skillet, on my pan rather, with some oil. I'm gonna get a nice crust, crispy, and then I'm gonna toss my rice into there and toss it all together. And that's gonna be my chili chicken with rice. I hope you guys like my show. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. And we're looking forward to a new year. And here we go, guys. I'm gonna start with my chopping my vegetables first with my garlic and ginger, everything, and my peppers. So this way, I don't have to wash my cutting board. So then I do my meat right after. So that's the best way to do it. So you don't have to keep washing your your cutting board twice. So I was also add my salt. So got my salt and pepper, some chili powder, and the turmeric. Some soy sauce. This what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna marinate it, and then and coat it with some flour. And in the meantime, I'm gonna get my oil going. So the oil is gonna be nice and hot. Now I'm going to add my peppers and my onion. Add my garlic and ginger to it now. So I added some soy sauce. I'm just gonna add like some tomato sauce. Right there, my chili chicken right now. I'm just gonna add my rice to it. I didn't want to eat it off separately. Final touch, some chili flakes. Okay, time to plate it. So here it is, guys. Go to a restaurant, any Hakka restaurant. This would be like I would say like about $15. I got it down under $4. Alright, thank you for watching. Please subscribe.